Hey you guys, Jamila here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to refresh my twists. I probably had them in for a little over a week. I honestly haven't been counting the days, so I don't know exactly how long, but a little over a week I would say. And they're a little frizzy. You know, they could just use some touching up. I think I'm gonna go like another week with these in before I untwist them and just take them out. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys how I'm gonna refresh my twists and sort of get them, you know, just a little tuned up. And I'm gonna get right into the video. I hope you enjoy. So this is how I sleep with my twists in my hair every night. I just do 2 twists on each side, and then I pin the end of the twist to the opposite end of my hair, of my head. So every night, this is how I sleep with my twists in. It helps to elongate the twists, and I think it also helps to sort of keep the frizz down and keep them straight. So that's just what I do when I sleep with them in, and this is what my hair is looking like. It still look good, but you can tell it's a little frizzy, which honestly I don't mind at all, but I just want to add some more moisture to my hair. I think that's the main thing, and just do a little touching up. But my twists, they don't look bad. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is take this water bottle. This is only water in here, and I'm going to spray down my hair, lightly mist it just to get it a little damp. I don't want to soak my hair with water at all. I'm just going to spritz it a little bit. And so now what I'm going to do, I have some moisturizer here. I'm going to use this Cantu Curl Activator cream, and then I also have my mousse here. And I have this, which is filled with olive oil. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna like do some retwisting on a few of these twists, not all of them, but just a few, so that I can make my hair look a little neater and I can reduce some of the frizz on most of these twists. So I'm definitely gonna focus on the perimeter of my hair, because I feel like those are the most important ones. You know, if your outer, the hair on the perimeter of your hair is looking, you know, more neat, then I feel like that will sort of camouflage the other twists that might not be as neat. So that's what I'm gonna focus on right now. And I'm only gonna add a little bit of moisturizer, just a little bit, like a small amount, a very small amount. Oops. I'm gonna get a little bit of mousse. Just a little bit. I have a little bit of oil on my fingertips, olive oil, so I'm just gonna use that on tips of my hair. I've got a little bit of oil on my fingertips. I'm just gonna rub that on my hair. These look so much neater already. So I'm just gonna continue to do like touch up the twists that are like on the perimeter, so around here and like up here. I'm just gonna touch those up and then move on to the next step. All right, so I retwisted like the outer perimeter I did up top. As you can see, it's a lot neater now. So I retwisted these ones, I retwisted the perimeter, and I retwisted the bottom ones. And some of them I didn't even really apply product. I just took, well, this one I'll even do. So I just sort of have like a little bit of product on my hand, but I didn't really put too much product. So these ones are like in the middle, and I took a few random twists and I hold on. I'm just gonna demonstrate on this one because I didn't touch this one. So this twist, I didn't do anything. I'm just gonna take a little bit of mousse and retwist this real quick. And I just like pretty much just skip the moisturizer on these ones that are in between. I just put the mousse and then I'm gonna get a little bit of oil on my fingertips and just like twist this up. So this is looking long, but it's of course gonna revert. It's gonna revert in a few seconds. All right, so I retwisted the perimeter of my twist, and now what I'm going to do, I picked up some of this Jamaican black castor oil, but it has peppermint in it. It's mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil with peppermint. So I've been really liking to put this on my scalp. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. I got this from my local black-owned beauty supply store and picked this up. So I'm just gonna, I have it on my hand. I'm just gonna get a little bit on my finger and just go through and dab it where I have my hair parted so that I can oil and nourish my scalp a little bit. All right, so I have my hair, I have my scalp moisturized or oiled down. I have my hair oiled, and I touched up my twist. So now I'm just going to get a little bit of mousse. This is the last step pretty much. Just gonna get a little bit of mousse and like, this is just to sort of like tame the frizz on my twists. I didn't touch up every twist because I do not want to do that. I just, you know, just trying to do a little touch up. I'm not trying to totally redo the twists. If I was my goal, then I would just, you know, totally undo them and wash my hair. So just a little bit of mousse, a little bit on the back because I didn't really retouch many twists back there. Okay, and now I'm going to get some oil. I'm going to use some of this olive oil. I'm just gonna get a little bit in my hand and I'm going to squeeze my twist, concentrate on my ends. And now I'm just going to do my hair how I do it when I go to sleep. So I'm just gonna sort of part it in the middle. And I'm gonna do a twist on each side. And this is going to help stretch my hair again because there's slightly like, just a little bit, like have a little extra shrinkage now that they're moisturized, which is fine. So I'm just gonna twist them up. All right, so now that I have my hair twisted up, I'm gonna get a bobby pin, and you guys know exactly, you know the deal. I'm gonna pin this up. This is going to be the thing that helps stretch my hair. All right, so now that my hair is twisted, I'm just going to use this like do-rag scarf kind of thing. And I'm just gonna let this sit on my hair for about at least 5 minutes, just so my hair can set and it can have some time to stretch. And when I take it off, my hair should be very refreshed. I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit, a few minutes. Like I said, at least 5 minutes, maybe 10 or so. I don't know, we'll see. I think I'm gonna go eat real quick, but yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit real quick and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my results. All right, so my hair, I mean, it's been sitting for a couple minutes now, but it should be set in place and refreshed by now. I mean, look at this. My hair is laid and so neat. So much neater than it was before. Okay. So now I'm gonna unpin it. My hair is slightly damp, just a little bit, barely. I'm sure it'll be dry by the end of the day. Hair smells great. And this is what it's looking like. refreshed twist. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is how I refresh my twists. And if you ask me, you did a good job. So I think I'm ready to rock these twists for at least a week more, at least 7 more days. And I'm definitely gonna do that because I just think they're cute and they make my life easy. And yeah, it's just a nice, effortless look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment down below and give a thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe for more. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.